Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change color of an image here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the color of an image in Canva is a straightforward process that can serve several creative and practical purposes. I'm actually working on a specific image here in Photoshop and I want to import that into Canva. Alright, and of course I wanted to change some of the options that I can using their built-in feature tool. Say for example, I wanted to increase the opacity and of course change some of the gradient colors on my font. Now I'm switching over to Canva after going here in Photoshop. If you haven't already, once you log in, you might want to click on the create a design, or if you are working with an existing project, you might want to click on that. In my case, I'm going to choose the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload this to our GPLAF's YouTube channel. I'm gonna click on it. Now inside the Canva, I'm going to click on the upload, and this is basically the image that I am going to work with. All right. Now for us to be able to change the color here of any image or even logo here in Canva, all I have to do is click on the edit option right here, edit image. You see there's going to be an option that says Magic Studio. All right. You have the Magic Eraser, Magic Grab, Background Remover, Grab Text, and Magic Edit. I want you to click on it. It's free, by the way. The other features are like it requires a premium subscription before you can use that, but this is going to be free. Now, you see, you can select area to edit. All right. So if you use the brush tool, you have the option to increase the brush size, or of course, you can put in decrease the amount. I wanted to, all right, choose this one right here. You see that? All right. The purple is the affected area. All right. Don't worry because it doesn't mean that the purple or violet color you're like vandalizing or coloring the image. It's not that. It's the surface area that's going to be affected on the changes that you wanted. Now, after selecting the area, you have to describe your edit. Let's say change color. All right, change color to maybe let's say red, and click on generate. You see, editing faces, hands, or legs isn't intended for magic edit, so it only works on the logo. All right, what will happen is the surface area that has been affected will be changed. Just wait for it. It'll take a little time depending on your computer's specification on the internet connection as well. As you see, the changes has been implemented. Right now, again, if you hover to the magic edit, I'm going to click again on that. In this case, you see there's going to be a second option that says click. If you want that, just have to describe what you want to say. For example, change the background to maybe green. So, of course, we need to select the area that's going to be affected. Again, in this case, we're going to increase the size. All right. All right, so let's click on that. Let's see what's going to happen. It'll take a little while. Now you see what happens. Basically, the color has changed, but again, the face is not really meant for editing here on the Magic Edit. So you have to pay attention. As you can see, editing faces, hands, or legs isn't intended for the Magic Edit. All I can do is select the part of the logo. Don't worry because all I have to do is click on the X. Let's just exit this for now and just undo what we did. Right? So Let's try to do that. Now in this case, I'm going to add another page. Say for example, I'm going to be working on maybe an element. Let's search for a logo, for example. Hold on, I'm going to upload our own logo. So this is our logo. All right. Now, another option for you to change the color of an image right here is, again, go to the edit section. Go to effects. This is very important, all right? You might want to select the duotone. If you do that, you see there's going to be a lot of options. You can choose cherry. You can slow down the intensity if you wanted. You can choose the pop, mustard, peppermint, blush, pomelo, sea green, dusk, all right, merle, mono, and classic. So there's a lot that you can work with. All right, so that's that. Now, if you hover back again to the duotone, you see there is an option on the like a drag kind of option. You can put in the highlight into this, right? You can, of course, check the shadows, and of course, again, the intensity. That also applies here on the image. Let's try that. Let's go to the edit option to see how we can work with it. All right, so go to duotone, and of course, you can adjust anything here. Let's go to the custom, because adjusting aspects like saturation, contrast, and brightness can make an image appear more vivid, or correct dullness or washed out color. Sometimes images have like poor lighting. Obviously, changing the color adjustments can balance these issues and improve the overall look of the image. And again, go here if you wanted, and there's going to be some option on the say for example highlights. You can change that if you wanted. Say for example this, and the shadows might want to go to something like a red. Now you see it gives images a duotone, retro, or sepia look, which can be ideal for creating certain styles or matching a design theme. All right, adjusting the color of images in Canva allows you to better align them with your overall design vision, enhance their impact, and ensure they fit seamlessly into your creative projects. Once you are happy with it, all you have to do is click on share on the upper right corner. There's going to be multiple options. You can share this link to your collaborator, team members, your maybe clients, or even multiple freelancers, or you can download that as PNG, JPEG, PDF, or SVG, which is best for web design and animations. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.